Dates the 11th of July 2022. We have Ruusutorpantie, Ruusutorpsvägen, 2 stycken here in Leppävaara, Alberga, Espoo. Helsinki has was region, Ruusutorpantie, Finland, and this was built in early 2000, 20 years old in 2020. Kone with single ratios, this average has 7 or 5 or 7. And I really like this black and yellow style here.
Yeah, I see.
It's very much 1990s style still, of course.
Yeah.
Going to be inspected in 2024. And it has the older copy logo, so of course it's early 2000.
Yeah.
To service 2 rights. Nice black tiles here also.
Yeah.
They feel even 1970s like that.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva and maintained by Kone.
Yeah. It's probably like January 2000 maybe.
Yeah.
I will also check how many staircases they have here.
Yeah.
2 or 3, I have to find there.
Yeah, probably.
At least one more.
Yeah.
Best is 8 pesos or 630 pesos. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's